Pramod Rai and Deputy CAG to depose, explain how the total amount of loss was arrived at. And the government announces its new spectrum policy. We'll get you the latest details on that. All right, breaking news coming in at the top of 4 o'clock. It comes as a setback for Narendra Modi and his government because the Gujarat High Court, it seems, has upheld the appointment of the Lokayukta of the state. Haresh Jhala now joins us with the latest. Haresh, what exactly has the court said?
Well, let us correct it. Within the division bench, there is a divided view on opinion on this judgment. One judge has clearly upheld the governor's decision. The second judge, Sonia Gokhani, will now be dictating her point of view and her judgment. The first judge, Akhil Qureshi, was very clear that governor action came because the state government failed to act for almost 8 years. The ministerial council says that governor can act only on aid and advice of the councils of ministers, but they should also introspect that for 8 years they did not appoint anyone. So far the consultation is concerned, the consultation between the chief minister and the chief justice was over on the name of Justice R.A. Mehta. So there was no point of continuing the consultation between the divide. Justice Akhil Qureshi is upholding the governor's decision, whereas Sonia Gokhani defers to the stand, and she is dictating now her own judgment. So in the one favor of governor's action, now the second judge is dictating her judgment. At the end of her pronouncement, it will be clear whether both the judges are in favor or in support of governor's action, or there is a division in the judgment, one favoring the governor and the other favoring the government, opposing, challenging the governor's act.
Absolutely. It will be very, very crucial to take a look at all the developments all together. This is the opinion of just one of the judges, senior editor Sunil Jha, joining us live from the newsroom. Sunil, so, you know, it's partly a setback. As of now, we have to await what the second judge also says in the case, but clearly a setback for Modi.
See, we'll have to wait for what the second judge says, because we cannot just base our assessment on the notings that the first judge has made, because if it's a two-judge bench, both the judges need to go take the same line. If there's a split verdict, then it is referred to a higher bench, and that is something which we really don't know what the opinion of the second judge is. So in my view, a little premature to comment on the fact whether there is a setback or not. But one thing is for sure, one judge clearly has given his opinion against the state government, which to an extent can be said, yes, if the second judge also decides and goes the same way, then definitely there is a setback for Narendra Modi.
Absolutely. So Haresh, in one sense, you know, it is a violation because we've been talking about this. Article 163 clearly says that the governor has to consult the Council of Ministers before going ahead and appointing the Lokayukta of the state. So clearly it's still not clear, as Sunil is saying, as to what the second judge will say, and finally what is going to happen in this case. Nothing is final.
Well, the pronouncing the judgment, Akhil Qureshi said 5 questions before announcing his judgment, where he said that whether the aid and advice of council is must or not. He said yes, it is must according to the Article 161. Second question he raised that whether the state government petition is maintainable or not. He said yes, it is a maintainable. Third question that he raised was whether the co-warrant can issue a warrant or not. He said yes, it can warrant. One thing that is very critical in this whole is that Chief Justice's recommendation is final. There cannot be a second opinion. Chief Justice and Chief Minister will not agree on the point, but Chief Minister's recommendation will be final, and that's what the Council of Ministers have to adhere. So one thing is clear: when the Chief Justice of Gujarat recommended Justice R.A. Mehta, according to this judge, that name was final. Consultation was through, and there was nothing left to consult further. So it is very clear that according to the Chief Justice recommendation, governor has appointed the Lokayukta. Now the question is purely on whether the governor action of the minister is of the second judge or not. If that stands, then it would be a big setback to the state government. But if the second judge defers to the first one, then it will be a split in the judgment, and it has to be said earlier, it has to be referred to a larger bench.
Right. Sunil, once again coming back to you, there are only two options over here, because the second judge, if he actually upholds the appointment of the Lokayukta, then things could turn really ugly as far as Narendra Modi is concerned. So really we're looking at two possibilities as of now.
That's right. In fact, we are also getting conflicting reports here. We really don't have confirmation, because obviously Haresh has spoken what he had to, but we are also getting information that there is a split verdict. That means the case will be heard by a higher bench. Now that means one judge has favored the state government stand, one judge has favored the governor's stand, so there is no clear verdict in it. It's referred to a higher judge, but there is no, as I said, there is no confirmation as such. These are the information which is coming out, more for Haresh to confirm that if that's true. But if that is true, then the entire matter stays where it was, because in the absence of a clear verdict, then the matter has to be reheard by a 3-judge bench or a 5-judge bench now.
All right, so more delay then in that case, because nothing is clear, as we are telling our viewers, no confirmation as far as what's the verdict. Haresh, if you can tell us any more inputs coming your way, because Sunil is pointing out there seems to be no confirmation yet, there seems to be a split verdict.
One, the mentality of the state government petition, and the second, whether governor's action is valid without the aid and advice.
All right,
of governor.
all right.
That is the main
Haresh, hold on to your thoughts. Mr. Shankar Singh Waghela of the Congress now joins us. वाघेला साहब, आप बताइए, हमें इनिशियल रिपोर्ट्स मिल रही है कि जो डिवीजन बेंच थी उसमें से एक जज का ये कहना है कि लोकायुक्ता का अपॉइंटमेंट बिल्कुल सही है, तो ये नरेंद्र मोदी के लिए सेटबैक साबित हो सकता है अगर दूसरे जज ने भी यही राय रखी तो।
देखिए, तो सही मामला था, इनको हाईकोर्ट में जाने की जरूरत नहीं थी। गुजरात का एक्ट जो बना था लोकायुक्त का, वो एक्ट में खुद गवर्नमेंट ने बताया था कि ये गवर्नर साहिबा का जो भी हो वो निर्णय ले सकते विद द कंसल्टेशन ऑफ लीडर ऑपोजिशन एंड हाईकोर्ट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हाईकोर्ट। इस हिसाब से निर्णय लिया गया है। पक्का मालूम था, अगर आपको लोकायुक्त या लोकपाल दोनों चाहिए और अन्ना का समर्थन आपने किया था, तो मैं समझता हूं कि आपको उसका ऑनर करना चाहिए। एक ही गलती थी मिस्टर मेहता की, जस्टिस मेहता, कि जिनके घर अन्ना जी यहाँ ठहरे थे जब लास्ट टाइम अहमदाबाद में आए थे, तो यानी कि इतने ऑनेस्ट जस्टिस जो थे, इनकी नियुक्ति के बारे में भी जब अपना कोई राइट नहीं है कहने का, फिर भी हाईकोर्ट का आश्रय लिया, प्रजा के पैसे की बर्बादी की। हाईकोर्ट की बहुत बड़ी लपड़ाक है इनको। मैं समझता हूं कि इनको ऑनर करना चाहिए। चाहे कोई भी लोकायुक्त हो, आप चोर नहीं है, खाते नहीं है, खाने देते नहीं है, तो बिना मतलब के क्यों आप हाईकोर्ट में जाकर अपने आप को एक्सपोज करते हैं।
वाघेला जी, ऑल्सो अभी हम कंफर्म कर सकते हैं कि दोनों जो जज थे उन्होंने एक कह रहे हैं कि लोकायुक्ता का अपॉइंटमेंट सही है, एक कह रहे हैं कि नहीं है, तो स्प्लिट वर्डिक्ट है। अब तो ये और हायर कोर्ट में जाएगा मामला, और टाइम लगेगा। आपका इसमें क्या कहना है?
देखिए, ये तो जुडिशरी प्रोसेस है, लेकिन इसका मतलब है कि जो भी है बिटवीन द लाइन्स पढ़ने वाला, दो जजेस की अलग अलग राय है, तो और बड़ी बेंच बनेगी, वो फैसला देगी। लेकिन ये ओपन फैक्ट है कि इसमें थोड़ा सा भी वो मामला नहीं है कि गवर्नर को राइट नहीं है, ऐसी कोई बात है ही नहीं। गवर्नर को राइट है ही, एक्ट गुजरात का है। जब गुजरात गवर्नमेंट का एक मंत्री कहता है कि हमारा कोई रोल नहीं है, इससे बड़ी क्या इसमें प्रूफ की जरूरत है? यही बड़ी चीज है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि देश की पार्लियामेंट बंद रखी थी इन्होंने। यहाँ गुजरात में भी गवर्नर के खिलाफ जब हाईकोर्ट में कोर्ट में थी, तो ये न गवर्नर का रिस्पेक्ट करना जानते हैं और चाहते हैं, न कोर्ट का, हाईकोर्ट का भी इन्होंने कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दिया। जुडिशरी मैटर होने के बावजूद भी गवर्नर के खिलाफ दुनिया भर की बहने भेजना, पब्लिक मीटिंग में करना, गवर्नर कांग्रेस ऑफिस बन गई है, गवर्नर हाउस, दुनिया भर का अनाज शराब का एलिगेशन जो हुआ। मैं समझता हूँ कि बीजेपी को समझना चाहिए, ऑल इंडिया पार्टी को समझना चाहिए, लोकायुक्त को रिगार्ड करना चाहिए, और मैं समझता हूँ कि जो भी मामला है उसको आगे नहीं बढ़ाना चाहिए। और इतने से ही बात समझकर गुजरात गवर्नमेंट को अपने आप ये जो एप्लीकेशन हाईकोर्ट से विड्रॉ कर लेनी चाहिए।
वाघेला साहब, आप प्लीज हमारे साथ बने रहिए। रेणुका चौधरी कांग्रेस पार्टी की, वो भी हमारे साथ है। मिस चौधरी, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट द लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट कमिंग इन ऑन द split verdict? We have been speaking to Mr. Waghela over here, and he said that the Gujarat government should withdraw their petition immediately.
Well, you know, this is for the BJP at the central level also to sit and introspect. And they probably will go to an apex court and see how much they can treasure there. But prima facie, this is precisely what the governor said and did. Executed her constitutional powers. Instead of answering the nation as to why they didn't have a Lokayukta for 7 years, they just get offensive about everything. This thirst for power is so desperate, and Mr. Modi's carefully manufactured veneer is showing many cracks in it. Anyway, it's not with a sense of triumph or a sense of victory that I'm speaking. I'm just saddened that on this issue, they held up parliament for so many days and insulted the governor and didn't have any respect for that post, and they have done what they want anyway.
Right. Ms. Chaudhary, so where do you see things headed from now? As you're saying, the matter will go to the higher court and more time could be really taken to decide what went wrong, if at all there was something wrong, because we know it's been August since the governor and the government, the state government, has been at loggerheads with each other.
The governor has been constitutionally on the correct path. Now it is for the government of Gujarat to decide what they want to do about it. If they want to change the constitution and want to challenge a constitutional authority, then so be it. It is the people are going to watch what they're going to do.
But the BJP, ma'am, has also said very clearly that the governor is acting upon the instructions of the union government. That has been one charge that has been levelled time and again by the state government as far as this governor is concerned.
I don't even want to reply to that. Anything that they do wrong, they want to palm off to someone else. It's very sad.
All right. Also, Mr. वाघेला जी, अगर आप हमारे साथ हैं, आप कैसे रिएक्ट करना चाहेंगे इस चार्ज को जो बार बार लगाया जाता है कि ये गवर्नर जो है गुजरात के, ये यूनियन गवर्नमेंट के इशारे पे काम कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, हमारे गवर्नर गांधीयन है, बिल्कुल फ्रीडम फाइटर फैमिली से है, वो कभी गलत नहीं करते, चाहे कोई भी हो, और वो पार्टी के तो होते ही नहीं, पार्टी में रिजाइन करके ही गवर्नरशिप का ओथ लेते हैं। इतने ऑनेस्ट गवर्नर के खिलाफ जाना ठीक नहीं है। और दूसरा, ये ऑर्डर करने के बाद गवर्नमेंट ने एक और कमेटी बनाने का ऑर्डिनेंस किया कि और कोई कमेटी हो जिससे गवर्नर का और हाईकोर्ट का रोल निकल जाए, यानी कि इनके दिमाग में कोई चोरी छिपाने का बहुत बड़ा षड्यंत्र हो, ऐसा मामला किया था इन्होंने। 4-5 लोगों की कमेटी हो, 3 मंत्री हो और बाकी ऑपोजिशन और चीफ जस्टिस जो भी कहे, एंगल से लोकायुक्त की नियुक्ति हो, वो ठीक है।
गवर्नर ने वो रिजेक्ट कर दिया था। जी वाघेला साहब and Ms. Chaudhary, thank you both of you for joining us and giving us your perspective on this. Also Sunil Jha, Haresh Jhala for getting us a perspective on this story. We are slipping into a very short break. Stay with us for more updates.
चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, तुम चले जाओगे, जे तेरा हुक्म होए मैं दाढ़ी भी रख लांगा, जे तेरा हुक्म होए मैं तेरे आगे चांद पुराना लगता है, तेरा चेहरा कितना सुहाना लगता है।
आज रात
The love and feelings are mutual between you and Madonna.
I used to love her before.
The lady from Germany, she came to learn. Instead of Indianizing the girl, I Indianized the instrument.
Congratulations on the show, by the way, it's fabulous. I mean, I had to prepare, you know.
Watch Art Talk at these times on NewsX.
Is brought to you by Save the Children. Is brought to you by Vodafone and Seagram's 100 Pipers. Pure Music series True Legends.
Vijay, Dinanath, John.
Are you indifferent to success and failure?
I'm no different. I think that every time you do something and it fails, it does hurt.